Hello and welcome guys. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to find in a very easy way your river pearls. River pearls are this material that you're gonna see I'm gonna grab here from next to the river. So yes, you guessed it, river pearls appear nearby rivers or directly on the river, as you could see. What I usually do is whenever I'm going to places, I try to take the route through the river. There is a river that goes across, it's a few rivers that cross in a line the whole map. So whenever you're going somewhere, just try to go through rivers and go running with shift while you press Q, and you're gonna see that like that you're gonna find a few river pearls. You're also gonna find these ones, which are the brine floss. So don't get confused, those look like tall, but if you find something shining small on the ground, if it doesn't look as big as an animal, it's for sure a river pearl like this. Sometimes when I find one, I usually find more of them. So if you're not finding any, go do some activity, then come back in a few minutes, and usually when they spawn a few together. So yeah, sometimes I ignore enemies, so sometimes I go, and in the meantime I also kill a few enemies to level up my weapons. But when I really need those river pearls, I just come here. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and leaving me a like. It really helps me out to make these videos. See you next time.